It has rattled the community once again. A young girl, an 8th grader, is dead, and another child is charged with pulling the trigger. Thank you for joining us. I'm Gerald Owens.
And I'm Deborah Morgan. This is a trend that has so many people concerned. WRAL's Chelsea Donovan is live in Raleigh now with a closer look at this case and the rising numbers that have people so alarmed. Chelsea?
Yeah, Deborah, so since January 1st of last year, there have been 7 people under the age of 18 murdered in the city of Durham, 6 people under the age of 18 murdered here in Raleigh, and that includes 13-year-old Mykia Daniel, an 8th grader who was shot dead inside of a Raleigh apartment earlier this week. This is 13-year-old Mykia Daniel, an 8th grader at Ligon Middle School who was found dead inside of this apartment off North Hills Drive early Monday morning.
Our heart goes out to the family and to the friends of this young person and the community.
The death of Mykia is a disturbing, growing trend White County District Attorney Lauren Freeman and her prosecutors have been dealing with far too often.
We've averaged, over the last year and a half, about a murder a month committed by someone who is under the age of 18.
The latest numbers from the Department of Public Safety show the significant spike. From 2021 to 2023, there were 76 juveniles ages 13 to 15 charged with murder. There were 187 juveniles ages 16 to 17 charged with murder during those same years.
In my over 25 years involved in the criminal justice system, this is unprecedented.
Raleigh police say a 16-year-old was charged with the murder in Mykia's death. Right now, it remains unclear the circumstances surrounding the case or the motive.
When you're looking at a case of someone who's 16 charged with murder, the things you're going to be looking at is trying to evaluate the evidence as we do in any case to try and determine what is the appropriate charge here.
Freeman says if the evidence is there, they could take this case to a grand jury where it would be transferred to adult court. She says these senseless deaths continue to rattle the community, and she hopes parents sit down with their children to talk about the dangers of gun violence.
My daughter goes to the same school as this victim did, and so it hits very close to home.
Certainly a tragedy we should mention on Saturday at 7 o'clock at Chavis Park here in Raleigh. The community will come together for a balloon release to honor Mykia.